So to import the contacts option, we have to go to the contacts option, and in manage group we have given an option to categorize your customers' data here. So we will be categorize our customers into product details or age wise or gender wise. So this will help you to identify the customer data in a categorized way. So this is for your reference alone. It won't be like a WhatsApp group. So to create a new group, I'm clicking this new option and creating a new one. So a group has been created successfully. Now I'm going to show you how to upload the contact in an individual method and the bulk method. For the individual method, we can add contact one by one, and just like your phone book, the contact will be displayed here. By using the filter option, you can check it out in specific group how many contact has been included. So first we need to click on create contact and select the respective group we have created before and enter the country code which is important, and I'm going to enter this contact mobile number, which is 10-digit mobile number, and contact name. The contact name is not mandatory because our bot fetched the name which we saved in WhatsApp, so use a default name. Once we enter the contact details, we can save the changes and the contact will be added here. We can check for any mistakes or incorrect entries, and also now we can check out the bulk option which we have been using here. So here we have to use a sample format that will be you will be getting a CSV format, and we can upload our bulk contacts in this file now. So you can see this CSV file contains 3 columns, which is country code, mobile number and contact name. And as I mentioned before, the country code has to be the appropriate one, and 10-digit mobile number has to be entered, and the contact name can be default name. So the given column you have to enter all these details, so you can save the file now. So I have already entered all these details here. Now I have to save the file now. So I'm going to save this file as test document. So you can name any file, any name as your requirement. So I'm giving the name for this file as test document. I'm saving this document in my desktop. So once we save this file, we can go to our panel and click the import contact option in our panel. This will open the bulk import method, where we can click on the group option and select the existing group. Then we can choose our saved CSV file. So now I have been clicked here. So choose the import option. So our contact entries will be displayed here, and we can check their status. And once we click the import to contact option, the contact will be imported here. So yeah, voila, 3 contact has been imported successfully. So valid data is represented and invalid will be represented as more than 10-digit or less than 10-digit. So you can check out all the contact details in one entries, and you can also use this filter option to check the particular group. So now I'm checking my group which has been created before. So I have entered total 4 contact in this group. So these color coordinator will also helps you to find out the duplicates, like one contact has been added in multiple group. So you can use this action option and you can edit or delete the contact from the existing group here. So now contact has been imported successfully. We can compose the message and broadcast the messages to the imported contacts here. So let's go to compose message.